Oh, hey, Nick. Gosh, I'm so thirsty, and I have no money at all. Hey, what's that?
This is a water fountain. If you're ever thirsty and have no money, just come here. You can push the button and water comes out. Mmm. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Could you talk a little bit about water fountains and why they're so great?
Well, because they quench our thirst.
Don't they?
Water fountains are in the ground and you use them to get water if you're thirsty. And it's free.
The water fountain. You don't have to use your money. You can go to a drinking fountain.
That's absurd.
It's free and it's handy. You just push the button and water comes out and you can drink from it.
Oh my goodness. It's delicious.